What the fuck am I doing? Hello, my beautiful. So I did every single chakra for 7 days. Anyways, I think it massively helped and changed me, and it's definitely something which I will hope to do every now and then. But anyhow, if you don't know anything about chakras, it is a Indian Hindu practice. It's a really amazing piece of wisdom that we now have access to in the Western world and can practice, and that's all, you know, in thanks and gratitude to all the Hindus that practiced it for so long and, you know, have spread the teachings of it. Chakras are energy points within your body, so there's 7. So they start at the bottom of your spine and go up to your crown of your head. So in this video, in terms of like how I tune and everything, I practice different rituals. So the rituals I do is I surround myself with the colour of that chakra. I eat the foods related to that chakra, so a lot of the time it is the same foods of the same colour of the chakra. And you know, I've done this series now, like the food is a really interesting one because it does make a difference, like in a really interesting way. But anyhow, I'll let you see how that unfolds. So I'll do a yoga practice, which I really think opens the chakra for me. It's yin yoga. I do yin yoga with Cassandra. I'll link it down below. And it's all about affirmations. So she does a lot of movements to, you know, move that area of that energy field, so it kind of awakens that source. But also the affirmations used whilst doing the yoga really helps like bring it out in your mind a bit more too. And then to finish off, like throughout the night, I'll listen to a sacral chakra subliminal, which is a beat that gets into your subconscious, which balances it overnight. So it's quite an exhausting day. Although we're doing quite like normal mundane things, it's intense, and I guess that shows that everything really does work. I will pass you over to Jasmine. In the morning she started her sacral chakra rituals, and you can see how it all unfolded for her. So, good morning again. Today is the solar plexus chakra, which is like here. The third chakra, it is associated with the colour yellow. If I could sum up this chakra in one word, I would say self-confidence. It's all about self-esteem, your motivation. So then obviously when the chakra is blocked, it is like low self-esteem, low confidence, insecurities, and aggression, which is interesting because the chakra is also linked to the fire element, so you can sort of see where that aggression could come from. But the fact that there's fire involved in today's element makes me happy, because there's going to be incense, there's going to be candles, it's going to be fire crackling noises, like it's going to be a good time. So I guess let's just get ready for the day and we can crack off with some yoga maybe. Okay, so now we have the issue of trying to find something yellow to wear. Yellow is not a colour that was made for my skin tone, so I don't actually think I own anything. Oh, I actually have something yellow. It's this football top which my ex-boyfriend actually got me because Louis Tomlinson had the exact same football top. So it's like a vintage, really hard German thing to find, and he paid a lot of money for it apparently. So this is actually what I've got to wear today, which is actually kind of cute. A much better vibe than yesterday. I can like put some biker shorts with this, and low-key it's a look. Okay, I'm actually not mad at this. So this is actually like a cute little vibe. I've actually got some sanding and varnishing of furniture to do today, so it worked out really well. I'm just popping on some amber because that is the crystal of the day. There's also tiger's eye, yellow calcite. So I just put the calcite and the tiger's eye next to my bed, ready for this evening. We are all crystalled up, coloured up, fulfilling our ritual for our solar plexus chakra today. And this is a perfect yoga outfit too, so I'm happy, I'm confident. I'm a white ass girl wearing bright yellow and I'm still feeling confident. That is big. So in terms of scents for today, some solar plexus inducing essential oils are musk, sandalwood, cinnamon and ginger. I'm not actually sure if I have any. I have an actual white musk perfume which I will just drench myself in. And again, just like yesterday, we will put some sandalwood incense on, probably when we do some yoga. So this chakra today just feels like it's going right. And I'm really, really happy about that. everything is just falling perfectly into place.
This one has to do with your relationship with yourself. So the themes associated with the solar plexus chakra are themes of confidence, self-worth, and self-esteem. So when it's overactive, we might be a little cocky and think that we're better than other people. I deserve to be seen and heard. My confidence inspires others. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. That extended leg, your hand out here. I am comfortable standing up for myself. Strength and courage flows through me. I respect and care for myself. I deserve to go after my dreams. I am empowered and empower others. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Stay. Thank you so much, Yankees, for doing this free yoga practice with me. I would love to know how it went every Thursday. Thank you so much. Have a
So we've got all the fire vibes going. And today I'm not going to forget to do the affirmation. So our colour is yellow, but I think I'm going to do it in orange. Flip to an empty sheet of paper, and just before I do any kind of journaling or affirmations, I always do like a page of things I'm grateful for. So every single line in the journal I'll write I'm thankful for, and then can finish it off with something different. It just puts me in a really like positive space. I feel really humbled, and as we kind of wind down through the day and do the meditation, which is the most intense part of the chakra work, it's obviously good to get in a powerful space, and I've done it previously with the root chakra, and it really kind of aided that meditation experience. And then I'm going to do a page of affirmations. The affirmation I'm going to use was actually from the yin yoga we did earlier, and the one that kind of really hit me and kind of made me feel a bit uneasy was I deserve to be seen and heard. So I think that's the affirmation I'm going to use today, and like just write that sentence on every single line. I don't know, I guess it's kind of like an easy form of shadow work to just keep writing that out and keep thinking that, and subconsciously analyse the thoughts and feelings and emotions that come into my mind during that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the window though.
I see myself as fire. You pause and let your eyes open.
Hey beautiful, so how did you think it all went? This was the chakra that was harder for me, but where I think things go a bit more inward and it's more like self-confidence based. I feel like everyone has an issue with self-confidence in of some respect, you know. You can definitely see during the yoga I started to get a bit uneasy, and like I was checking for the time, and it was really hard for me to get in the moment. But you can also sense that the yoga really opens it, and that does feel uncomfortable. It's not a pleasant experience as such. When I first started getting into all this, I'd go about my day and I'd do these little rituals, and I'd feel in a really horrible mood. I'd really get down, and it's like, you need to sort of realize that these are rituals to open up your chakra, and when these are unbalanced, that's really, really intense. Like it's a big source of energy, and you know, they mean different things for different chakras. And try to be gentle with yourself. Like, yeah, it's just doing like 20 minutes or 20 minutes to an hour of yoga, but actually it's so much more than that. It's not just stretching and muscle training, it's energy field opening, and you know, affirmations, and trying to make sense of it in your mind. So yeah, just always being aware of that, and like being more gentle with yourself, and then I think you have a, you know, higher chance of succeeding and balancing and everything. And the affirmation within the yoga really stuck with me, so I did that affirmation again, and I think writing that affirmation out kind of, it didn't like fix that issue, but it got cogs going in my mind as to like, why do I doubt myself in this aspect? This meditation I really, really liked. Maybe I liked having the fire element surrounding me, and that, because obviously in the beginning of the meditation he's like, you are fire, I see myself as fire, and that, I don't know, that seemed to make me feel powerful, I guess, where I was doing the affirmations beforehand and I felt like a really not powerful, not big presence in the world, and then to have the meditation and be like, I am powerful, I am like fire, like it really kind of brought more out of me, and it really helped. And obviously the subliminal, it is what it is, it does what it does. It's a bit exhausting to have to like do that work overnight as well, but it's all your subconscious doing the work, so it's not like forefront exhausting as such. So I'm confident now. This Jasmine, she's confident, she has a lot of self-love, she's a lot of self-esteem, but what comes up for me when I did this is a lot of little Jazz, and how little Jazz felt, and she did not feel good about her confidence about herself. And like by doing this chakra work, it actually helped me to heal her a little bit, and obviously I carry her with me all the time. I have her emotions still, so I mean, like I have her memories, and it's like healing those memories, and ultimately that will benefit me now and benefit future Jazz. And you know, it's just an interesting one to think about. But anyways, I feel like I've been talking for a little bit of a long time on this one, but I hope you kind of understand everything that I was meaning to say, and if anything was a bit confusing, then leave me a comment. I tend to get a bit, you know, carried away with what I'm talking about. Maybe it always doesn't make sense. But yeah, so I've got the root chakra, I've got sacral chakra out, obviously next will be the heart chakra coming out, and then at the end of them all I have a like chakra video sum up. But anyways, I'm going to leave you with that, my darling. Thank you so much for watching, especially up to this point. If no one's told you lately, I'm super duper proud of you. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video for the heart chakra.